Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can see your TikTok watch history. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on profile at the bottom right of your screen on your TikTok, and then at the top right you will see the three lines. Click on the three lines and then choose the last option called settings and privacy. It'll take you to your TikTok setting page. From over here, at first some people might get their watch history over here, so try to find your watch history. If you don't see your watch history over here, then what you need to do is click on where it says Activity Center. Once you click on Activity Center, the first option should be your watch history. Click on watch history and it's going to show you all of your watch history over here. So that's how we guys can see your TikTok watch history. And if your watch history is not available over here, it might be available at the outside. So try to search at the outside, and if not found, then only go inside Activity Center, alright? Because for different TikToks, there's different setting layout. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. If you guys have any question, you can ask me in the comment. I'll answer you guys to help you fix a problem. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.